Imagine looking up at the night sky and spotting a faint, misty patch among the stars. Now, picture that patch not as a distant star or a cloud, but as an entire galaxy, one that's so vast it would stretch across the sky, appearing 6 times wider than the full moon. This is the Andromeda Galaxy, a colossal spiral of stars, gas, and dust, quietly shining from 2.5 million light-years away. To put its size in perspective, if our eyes were sensitive enough, Andromeda would dominate the night, stretching across a huge swath of the sky, dwarfing the moon's familiar glow. That's Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor and a true giant among galaxies. It's a sprawling city of stars, home to over 1 trillion suns, twice as many as the Milky Way. Each of those stars could host its own planets, moons, and perhaps even life. Imagine the possibilities: billions of solar systems, countless worlds, all swirling together in a majestic spiral that's been evolving for billions of years. But Andromeda isn't just a distant spectacle. It's on the move, racing towards us at a staggering 110 kilometers per second. That's over 390,000 kilometers per hour, fast enough to cross the Earth in just a few minutes. In about 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will meet in a cosmic dance, their stars weaving together to form a brand new mega-galaxy, Milkomeda. This future collision won't be a violent crash, but a graceful merging, as stars and planets glide past each other in the vast emptiness of space, reshaping our cosmic home forever. Stretching 220,000 light-years across, Andromeda dwarfs our own galaxy, making it one of the largest in our local group. Its sheer scale is almost impossible to comprehend. The light we see from Andromeda tonight began its journey when early humans first walked the Earth. Every glimpse is a look back in time, a message from a distant past. From the first blurry photographs in 1888 to today's breathtaking images captured by space telescopes, our view of Andromeda has transformed dramatically. Now, with modern technology, we can see its grandeur in stunning detail: spiral arms, glowing nebulae, and clusters of stars, all clearer than ever before. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest neighbor, a celestial masterpiece drifting toward our own Milky Way. Its story spans time itself, binding the past, present, and future of the cosmos. This is the story of connection, of wonder, of the universe we call home. Fact Media. Explore the universe with us.